Hi, everyone. So this is an example of a project that we will be making today. If you want a very simple beginner scratch project for your students, you can follow this. So let me click the flag. And start So I will show you how you can make this project, and it's pretty fun and easy for elementary school kids, and they will enjoy and learn some coding. So the first thing we want to do is to find the Scratch website. So we want to go to the first page, which is scratch.mit.edu. And then this is not the first page, but if you are logged out, let me sign out. So you will see this page. And from here, you have two options. You can click Start Creating, or there's another button here. You can click Create. So I'm choosing this one. If you're opening the website for the first time and you don't have an account, you can start creating. You can work here and have a project and save to your computer even without having an account. Let's close this. These are the tutorials we don't need. And this sprite, we don't need, like, click the trash can to get an empty page. And so I'm logging in. You can create an account to log in. And let me sign in. So if you sign in, your projects will be saved. It's a good idea to create one. So the first thing we need is bring in the characters that we can choose a sprite. Like if you click the cat head and scroll down, you can find the parrot that I just showed you. Another way to find it easier is to click the animals. Let's go find it right here. So if you scroll over any of these characters they're called sprites, if they have several poses, you will see them move. If not, nothing will happen. Like this one has only one pose, so it will not show the rest. So this parrot, when I scroll over it, it shows 3 different poses. So if you click, it's gonna select, now we have an image of a bird, right? And we can look at it in full screen view by clicking this. And let's go back. So we have our bird. Now we want it to move the wings. Let's see how we can do that. So if you go to looks and bring next costume, just drag and drop it to the center. You can zoom in to see it bigger. So if I click this code, it will run and it's going to show the next pose. So we want this to happen several times. So we can go here to orange circle and grab this. So let's click it and see what will happen. So this is the part that makes kids so excited. If they put the next costume in this forever loop, they get so excited. You can click stop to stop the bird. And now we want to add a wait time. So we make the costume change after a short wait time, which we have here, like wait 1 second. If you put this here, so you can put the wait time before or after next costume. It doesn't make any difference. So let's run this and see if we like it. So every 1 second, it will just move the wings and will change the pose. The next thing is like we can stop this, and also we want to go to the events and bring this one when flag click. So it means when we click this flag over here, our code will run. So this speed is a little bit too slow. Let's make it less than once again. So we can do 0 point number. And this this part is really exciting for like elementary school kids, like 7 years old, 6 years old kids. They like to put numbers like very long numbers after uh, like 0.3. They like playing with the numbers. You can let kids kind of have different numbers there and see how it affects the speed of the wings, movement of the wings. So 0.3 should be a good number. So now the next thing is that we want the bird also to go to random points. Let's go find that. So we want to go to motion and grab this one. Let's put it somewhere empty, somewhere that we have nothing. And then we want also this to happen forever. Let's put a flag on top of this one and see what will happen. So this one, wait, we don't want to go to random positions. So I want to delete this. And let's see. To delete something, we can just grab it and put it back. Let's go find this one. Grab glide once again to random position. And let's test it. So we can make it glide, like give it 1 second to go from one random point to another random point. And you can have the kids just move, like change this number. Instead of 1, you can have 3 and click the flag and see. Wow, now it moves slower. So play with this number and see what will happen. 1, we had it like 2. You can have even faster, like make it move faster. So give it less time. Let's try 0.5. So if you are teaching kids, you can give them some time and let them play with the speed of the movements and see what they can, what ideas they can come up with, what speeds they like. And something fun that you can do is to duplicate this bird. If you right click on the sprite, you can duplicate. And it will bring all of the code with it. So now if we click the flag, we have 2 birds that are moving. Let's do it one more time. Oh, before duplicating, let's change the size. We have size here. It says 100. If you type a number that is less than 100, it will be smaller. Let's do 60 and press enter. So that bird is smaller. And let's duplicate one more time and make it smaller one more time. Now we have 3 birds that are moving. So you can click any of these and change the numbers, like the speeds. You can play with the speeds. Let's say this one, I want it to move slower. So let's give it a little bit more time. It will start moving slower. Also, we can go here to this tab, costumes. And if you click this, it will flip like the bird will be. And kind of flipped. Okay, here you go. So one more thing we need to add is the background. So if you click this button here to the right, choose a backdrop, click this, and then you will find lots of backdrops. I chose mountain. Yeah, here is the background. You can give the kids time to kind of choose any other background that they like. Give them options to choose whatever they like. Maybe we want this one. And also something else that is fun to add is the sound. So if you click stage, like the sound you can add anywhere, but let's add it to the backdrop. Let's click stage. Stage doesn't have any code yet, so we can go to this tab, like the sound tab, and then find music from here. Choose a sound. And then click loops and then find something that you like. Let's choose this. So when you click, the sound will get added here. Let's go back to code and use that sound by clicking this button here, sound, and then dragging the code. It says play sound, dance magic. And then we want to put a flag. And you can decide when you want this to start. I want it to start in the beginning of the project. So I bring a flag. And let's see how it works. Full screen view in a flag. And I can stop because play. And let's go back. Also, this sound can be repeated. If you want it to play more, you can go to control and grab this loop. It repeats as many times as you like. Maybe you can put 3 times. Or if you want, you can do like forever. You can do this and put the play sound inside the forever loop and it will just repeat. I don't want it to play forever, so I'm getting rid of this. Just detach it and put it back to delete. Here is our project. And we are done. Let's take a final look at our amazing project. And let's click the flag. And see what happens. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want more easy projects for beginners, just let me know in comments and I will post more. Thank you for watching and bye.